guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically today I was going to do a full face, like a full get ready with me, but then I literally stepped outside and I was like, there's no way, no chance in hell that I'm gonna wear full face outside because it is so hot today. It's like 30 something degrees. Basically what I'm going to be doing is my summer routines, like summer makeup routine instead of a full face. So this will have no foundation, no concealer. This is basically a powder routine, nothing liquid I'm going to be using because it is way too hot for that, and honestly it will just melt right off. So I've been wanting to show you guys how I actually do my makeup every day, but I just thought that it would be too short. I start off with brows first, and I just use this one. I prefer this brush to my other one. I'll show you my other brush. So this brush is what I do to outline my brows, and then this is to fill in. I used to use this one, but I recently got this one in a set, which is much smaller and precise. And then do the same on the other. So that is how they're looking. Eyebrows takes me a long time to do because I feel like if you have a good brow, then your makeup is gonna be good. And if I have a bad brow day, then most of the time it's not a good makeup look. So, and just filling them in with this one. Okay, so after spending like 15 minutes on brows, I'm next going to do some bronzer. So skipping the whole face, skip to bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Revolution Glow bronzer in the colour dark. And after using, I had a review I think about a month ago that I reviewed this one and the other one, and I find myself picking this one up more than the other one because the other one is quite dramatic, if I do say so myself, and sometimes you just want a subtle bronze. So that is what I'm doing. I really like both of them, but this one I prefer a little bit more. Just gonna do like a little cheeky nose contour with the same bronzer again. But yeah, I can't do without a nose contour. A nose contour is like one of my favorite things to do, so I will include it. And I'll just take that shade and put it in my eyeshadow. I'll just do that as eyeshadow. So I feel like I'm all over the place with my order of makeup, but yeah, this is what we're doing. So for highlight, I'm going in my sleek makeup highlight palette in Cleopatra, and just using this creamy, using this creamy one to put on my nose. I love a good nose highlight. It's so pretty. Okay, so for blush, I don't have a blush palette whatsoever, but I've literally been using this Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette. This palette is kind of crusty. I've had this for like 3 years I think, but I literally use this for blush. And I think you guys know, if you don't know, but I use these two colors mixed together to get a nice blush color, and have been doing this for a very long time, and it works for me. Yeah, and I feel like blush puts it all together. And love putting it on my nose as well. Sweat is already giving me a natural glow, but you know, let's see with this. I can't believe I'm really using my hands. For eyes, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner, and this is a really good dupe for the Kat Von D one, because I used to use the Kat Von D one. However, it is very hard to get. Like, they don't just sell them. I have to get it delivered, and don't really want to pay delivery price on top of what I'm paying for eyeliner, but this was like £9, so, and it's really good. Yeah, I like felt eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. Very nice and precise. Yeah, I take my eyeliner to this part of my eye. I don't drag it all the way because that just suits my eye shape. I literally have a bad posture trying to do this. Okay, let's see if we can match that on the other eye. Okay, probably that's the best I can do. And I don't like to do my bottom lashes because it doesn't suit me like that. Yeah, it doesn't suit me at all, so I don't do them. So this is what I do, just the top one. My lips, I don't need my lips matte because I just prefer gloss. You know, the gloss just adds a whole bit together, and I've accumulated quite a few glosses, but I really like this KD Cosmetics one, and go and check out their Instagram because they're dropping very soon, sometime in August, so keep your eyes out for that. This is like a pink color, pink tint to it, and it's really nice and moisturizing, so go and check them out. I like to put the same black eyeliner on top of this whitehead that I've had for the longest time to cover it up. And then my little one here. Yes, I knew something was missing. There we go. So this is the finished look of the no foundation, no concealer, everyday summer makeup routine. Like, I know we still want to look cute every day, but we don't want to put face makeup on sometimes because it can feel too much, suffocating. Already suffocating in this radiation of British heat or whatever. Just use powders, and if you're sweating, you're glowing. No one can tell the difference. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. I think it would either be a vlog that I have a couple things prepared for, or even a fashion video, but I want to get into more makeup videos again because I really enjoy it, and I want to give you guys some new looks because it's the same old looks that I'd be giving you. Yeah, see you, bye.